According to Ayurveda, the first stage of disease occurs in your gut. The toxins in the gut then spreads to other tissues of the body until the disease becomes chronic. This should tell you that a healthy gut is a key to preventing the occurrence of many health conditions. If you just simply follow few Ayurvedic secrets, you can be assured that not only your gut but the rest of your body will stay healthy too. Hello viewers, welcome to Nuru Veda. Today in this lovely video, we are going to focus deep inside our gut. We are going to see how Ayurveda outlines some amazing advice and tips to keep your gut and entire body healthy. So let's get started. Number 1. Cleanse your body in the morning. Have you ever wondered why emptying bowels is known as morning ablution? The reason is that one should empty their bowels in the morning to get rid of toxins from your body. This makes digestion more effective. If you do not let the waste out, your stomach will be unable to digest food well, and this could cause stomach upsets. According to Ayurveda, cleansing your body in the morning will facilitate an efficient digestion process. Number 2. First thing in the morning, hydrate. Many people believe that breakfast is the first thing they should consume. However, if you plan to have a healthy gut, you should consider drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning. Drinking water in the morning will hydrate you and clean the digestive system. A clean digestive system will prevent you from having stomach-related health issues. It is advisable to consume a glass or 2 of warm water, then wait for at least 30 minutes before you can consume anything else. Number 3. Eat only when you are hungry. People have a culture whereby they consume breakfast, lunch and dinner at specific hours during the day. You do not have to follow this culture if your body is telling you otherwise. For instance, you do not have to eat lunch simply because it is lunch hours. If you feel full, you can grab a fruit or something light such as hot soup instead of forcing a heavy meal down your gut. Your stomach will only send you a signal to eat when it has digested all the foods. This means you should only eat when you feel hungry to maintain a healthy gut. According to Ayurveda, fasting is a great way to get rid of your body toxins, and it helps you maintain a healthy gut and a healthy life. Number 4. Eat freshly cooked meals only. According to Ayurveda, an individual should not consume leftovers. Food should always be freshly cooked using the best herbs and fresh seasonal produce. The food should be consumed within an hour of preparation. If left for hours, the food will lose its prana, which is the soul of your food, and it is more important component than nutrients in Ayurveda. This will help your gut stay healthy. However, refrigerators have made it challenging for people to avoid eating leftovers. If you are one of those people, try as much as possible to eat freshly cooked food most of the time, because it is good for your gut. You should also make enough food to avoid having leftovers. Number 5. Restrict cravings. According to Ayurveda, every food that we consume should nourish our body, mind and soul. In most cases, people crave unhealthy food. If a person does not restrict his or her cravings, he will consume foods that do not nourish his body. You should also never make food decisions on an empty stomach. Always shop for food item when your stomach is full. This will help restrict your cravings. Your mind will control you into buying food items that will not nourish your body, thus facilitating an unhealthy gut. Do you have frequent gut-related health issues? How do you manage them? This is happening to you because you do not practice Ayurvedic tips for a healthy gut. The gut is a very sensitive area that can be easily affected by poor lifestyle and practices. That's it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest update on the video. If you have any suggestion for us, write to us in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.